Guys, welcome to Webcop, a breakthrough AI engine which automatically scans, detects, generates buyer leads, and even fixes websites that are unintentionally breaking local and international laws, and does it all in a matter of seconds. We have adapted this awesome technology in your favor, so you can apply only 3 easy-to-follow steps which practically anyone can do. Let me show you. Step 1. Get your short line of code. Getting your Webcop short line of code is as easy as logging into your Webcop account, going to the lawsuit checker area, and clicking on Generate Widget. Here you can find your professional-looking, done-for-you compliance issues website checker, which you can customize to your liking and copy it to paste on your website. Extremely simple, guys. Step 2. Paste your line of code on your website. I'm pretty sure you know how to copy and paste on your computer, right? Pasting your line of Webcop code on your website is as simple as going to your website's code. Decide where you want to place your Webcop widget, paste your code, and save your doc. Let's refresh the page, and there you have it. Your free website compliance issues analyzer is ready to be used for your potential clients. Step 3. Let website owners analyze their websites. And the third and last step you need to do is to invite your potential clients and let them analyze their websites themselves so they can automatically scan, detect, and be able to fix their website's compliance issues by using your services in a matter of seconds. The process is really engaging and easy to follow. A detailed report will be shown to them, warning them their website is susceptible to a lawsuit and showing them up to 9 different loopholes their website is facing, and will be invited to protect their website by fixing these issues. They simply need to enter their contact information. An invoice will be automatically generated where the website owner can decide which compliance issues to fix, and a detailed pricing table will be shown to them as well. You will be able to edit all this with just a click inside your Webcop agency dashboard. Finally, they can click here to pay and will automatically be redirected to your payment portal so you can get paid and fix their website compliance issues. This thing is just terrific, guys. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. Webcop doesn't just scan, detect, and generate buyer leads for you, but it will also give you the tools you need to fix those website compliance issues in just seconds. Something which can cost you and your clients thousands of dollars, not only in lawsuits, but also on lawyer expenses, can be resolved with just a few clicks with Webcop. Here in your dashboard, you will be able to preview a list of the analysis and invoices generated in your website widget. What you need to do now is simply use the quick and easy to use generators, as well as the fixers, to fix every one of your client website's compliance issues in just seconds. And once you deliver your work, you can change the status to success and get to the next one. There is lots more awesome stuff inside Webcop, but I can't show it all in just this short video. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money, so if you're looking to use a breakthrough AI engine which automatically scans, detects, generates buyer leads, and even fixes websites that are unintentionally breaking local and international laws, and do it all in a matter of seconds, then try Webcop today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.